Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to make in the last 7 days with the copy trading feature on ByBit. So exactly 7 days ago, I made a video on how to copy a trader and make money with copy trading on ByBit, where I showed you all the settings you need to follow and everything you need to know to follow a trader the right way. And I left it for 7 days, and today is the 7th day, so I'll be showing you guys how much I've been able to make in the last 7 days by copying a trader. And also, in case you don't know, in that video, I followed the trader with $1,000. So by following this trader for 7 days, let's say we have added more money to that $1,000 or we've lost some money. Also, if you have not watched the video on how to copy a trader on ByBit, the link is in the description of this video, or click the link in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you. Also, if you've not liked this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you want to see more of these videos. In case you don't know, I also made a video on how to copy a trader on Binance, where I copied a trader with $500, and for 7 days, I made $116 profit. So that means I was able to turn $500 to $616. So if you have not seen that video also, the link to that video will be in the description below. Now, let's leave all of that. Let's now go to how much I've been able to make. So to see the copy trading feature, just come right here to where you have copy trading right here, where that is pointing to. Just click on it, and then at the top right corner of the screen, you will see where you have my trades. That is, if you're already copying a trade and you want to be monitoring your trades, just come here to where you have my trades and click on it. Now, right here is going to show you how your trade is going. It's going to show you how much you've been able to make or how much you've been able to lose. It's going to show you all the trades the trader is making. It's going to show you all the details and everything you need to know about your trades and how your money is going up or how your money is going down. You can monitor it right here. Also, you can monitor it through your wallet page. Now, let's go to the wallet page. Now, you can see I'm back on the home page right here. And at the bottom side of the screen, just click on the Assets menu right here. And if you scroll down at the bottom side of the screen, you see where you have Copy Trading. So you see right here, just click on it. And right here, you can track your copy trading investment. You can track how your money is going up and how your money is going down. You can track all the trades the master trader is taking and how you're making profit or loss. Now, without wasting your time, let's go straight to how much I've been able to turn my $1,000 into. So in the last 7 days, I've been able to turn my $1,000 to $871. So actually, we've not made profit, we've made some loss. Now, before I go on and explain a lot of things, let me first state that this result right here does not mean that if you copy a trader, you're going to be losing money with the trader, or maybe if you copy a trader, you're also going to be making money with the trader. It does not guarantee anything. What guarantees whether you're going to make profit or not is the trader himself. So it's what the trader is doing that you also do. So if the trader is making money, you make money. If the trader is losing money, you lose money. That's the first thing. The second thing I want to say right here is that me losing money copying this trader for 7 days does not mean that this trader is not good. Actually, 3 days after copying this trader, I was on $80 profit. I was making $80 profit on my $1,000 just 3 days after copying this trader. And then we were on the way to moving into $100 profit. And then 4 days later or 5 days later, I started noticing some loss. So maybe the trader took some trades that didn't really go well in the last 2 days. That's why the profit or the money has dropped from $1,080 to like $870 right now. Now, the third thing you need to know with copy trading is that you are not guaranteed to make profit or loss because you are not the one taking the trades. If it's that you are the one taking the trades yourself right now, then maybe you can say, oh, maybe there's 80% chance of making profit or maybe 90% chance of making profit. But for copy trading, you are only copying a master trader. So you are not guaranteed of whether you will make profit or loss. But if you want to put yourself in the higher chance of making profit, what I would advise you is that always copy the settings I did in my previous video. The settings on how to copy a trader the right way, whether you are using Binance or ByBit. I explained for ByBit in my last video and also explained for Binance in my previous video. The links to these videos will be in the description below. So if you follow these steps and these settings I talked about to copy a trader the right way, you will have a higher chance of making profit. So like I said again, this does not mean that this trader is not a good trader. We were on profit some days ago. And then maybe the trader took some trades that didn't really go well. Now, if you also want to see more information, you can see right here, total invested is $1,000. That is, I invested $1,000 in this. And right now, my equity, that is how much I have left, is just $871. And then my ROI is 12% loss. So I've been able to lose 12%. And the PNL, that is the amount I've lost, is $119. If you click on this arrow right here in front of the trader's name, just click on it. Right here, if the trader is currently taking a trade, you will see the trades right here. So you can see right now, as I'm recording this video, this trader is currently taking 3 trades. So these 3 trades are currently not going good right now. So one trade is in 19% loss, the second trade is a 40% loss, and the third trade is a 53% loss. So I think these are the three trades that this trader took that didn't really go well, that made the profit to go to loss. I think so. And one thing you need to know is that in trading, you can take 10 trades and you cannot win all 10. It doesn't mean that you cannot win all 10. You can win, like, say, let's say 7, 8. If you can win 7 or 8 trades out of 10, you are still a good trader. Now, one more thing I want to say before I end this video is that I can decide to follow this trader for 7 more days, and after 7 additional days, I might be surprised that this money can move from $875 to even above $1,000. So copying a trader for 7 days cannot really determine whether you make profit or not. Even in my video on Binance, after copying the trader for 7 days, I was able to turn $500 to $616. And I left it for 7 more days. So I'll be recording that video of how much I've been able to make from that Binance trader after 14 days. I'll drop that video very soon. So if you want to see it, make sure you turn on the notification bell on this channel. So this is what I've been able to turn my $1,000 into after copying this trader for 7 days. And also I've received some messages from some of you guys that have tried copy trading. Some people were able to make profit by following some traders, while some people lost some amount of money by copying a trader. So like I said, it's not guaranteed that you make profit or not. But if you want to put yourself in the higher chance of making profit, follow the settings I've been able to put right here in my previous video, and ensure that you don't take too much risk. Don't put too much money into copying another trader. That's very, very important. And right here is my ByBit playlist on my YouTube channel, where I have videos on how to make money by investing on ByBit. I have videos on how to make money with the trading bot on ByBit. I even did a 7-day challenge using the trading bot on ByBit, where I invested $1,000. You can check that, and then we check the result of the investment after 7 days. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.